Get ready for your ultimate tech upgrade. If you're searching for the Best Tech 2025 ***, this is the video for you. We've compiled the most amazing gadgets and electronics truly worth your money, and you'll find links in the description to grab them early. Number 1. Apple iPhone 17 Pro. Prepare for a revolutionary leap in mobile performance and camera capabilities. Its new AI features are almost psychic, redefining daily interactions. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung strikes back with an unbelievably vibrant display and a zoom camera that defies physics, making other flagships look ancient. Its innovative battery and S Pen integration are game changers for power users. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM6. Experience profound silence and pure audio fidelity, revealing details you never knew existed. These headphones take noise cancellation to an almost spooky level, transforming any environment into your private sanctuary. Number 4. Meta Quest 4 Pro. VR just got dramatically more immersive, blurring reality with virtual worlds through insane pass-through and haptic feedback. This headset is a mind-blowing portal to new dimensions of gaming and creativity. Number 5. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This drone is a masterpiece of aerial engineering, offering breathtaking cinematic shots with unprecedented stability and intelligent flight, while its advanced obstacle avoidance makes crashing virtually impossible. Don't miss these must-have electronics. Like and subscribe for more.